So today's question is from Christy Lane, and she's asking me about how customers find your Shopify products. Can shoppers go to Shopify to buy your products? Where do shoppers find your products? Is Shopify like eBay and Amazon where you go to one website and find the catalog of products? How does it work? So thanks for tuning in to Starting Up, the channel all about sharing tips for selling online. It's daily videos like this answering your questions every day, so ask your own questions in the comments box below, and then I have more informative videos on Monday and Thursday, so tune into those two by subscribing to this channel. So you have built a Shopify store. How are people going to find your products? Is becoming a member of Shopify the same as signing up to Amazon and eBay? Is it one big marketplace where customers find your products? I'm afraid it's not that easy. If you want to have customers find your products more easily, then yeah, you need to be using Amazon or eBay, where hundreds of thousands, millions of people come every day to buy products. The way Shopify works is it's your own individual unique store on the internet. You know, it's just like building your own website for yourself or like an artist portfolio. You're building your own store that stands independent from all these other things. So as well as building your store and sourcing products to put on your store, another challenge is getting potential customers to your website, to your store. It doesn't work like Amazon or like eBay where people naturally come to these websites anyway. You need to learn how to get people to your store, and that takes marketing skill, marketing expertise. You need to learn the ropes with marketing. People rely on methods such as paying for Facebook ads to go for people from Facebook to their store, finding inspirational, influential people on Instagram and asking them to promote your products on their Instagram account and driving their Instagram followers to your store. You can start to build natural search traffic by doing blog posts and getting people finding you through Google for your blog posts and taking them to your store. You can make YouTube videos like how-to videos, box opening videos, drive people to your store from your videos with a link in the description to your video, just like I'll be putting links in the description to this video. There's 101 ways to get people to your store, but that is a skill and a responsibility you've got to take on yourself as a Shopify store owner. There's no central marketplace when you become a member of Shopify like Amazon and eBay. It's your own locked off website where you have to drive people to it and like basically make ways that people can find your products. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my daily question and answer series. If you've got a question for me that you're answering, feel free to message me in the comments box below on startingup.com or on my Instagram. Send me a DM and I will try and answer your questions there. This channel is all about sharing tips for selling online, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and also like and share this video. See ya.